Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Guwahati, and I'm right now in Assam State Museum. This is the last and the third level of the museum. It says Ethnography Gallery. The arrow says this side, but that door is closed, so we'll go the other way. No photography without permission, so you need to pay. So this is the entrance, and here you come. You're welcomed by the woman. She's weaving, and she's the Karbi woman who is weaving, and it is her house. She is the Karbi woman from Assam, a Karbi lady. What a grace she has. Moving on, some of the household items. Let's read. Storing basket. Another basket. Both are baskets, right? And this is fishing trap. These are again the storing baskets. I think. Yeah, I think you can. Wow. It's again a basket with some kind of a filter chalni in this. There are a few objects of material culture of the Dioris. Dioris is a community, I think, and they are Dioris. Wrapper, turban, and dhuti. This is a basket. Store. This is a dining table. A kind of storing basket for local name. Its name is named as Ludum. A kind of storing basket again. Its name is Ludum. Again a basket with a pan, spinning wheel. This is the spinning wheel, and this is a basket for whatever you want to keep. It is known as Marua Karani. Oh, this is local skirt, and here you go. Few more objects of culture of the Hajongs. So Hajong is a community. There they are. Cherokee. Khalol fishing implement. Thread reel, local name Sutlam. Weaving implement, local name Jantar. Wow, this reminds me of great Shri Mahatma Gandhi. Alright, moving on. This is a churia, a kind of ladies garment. Local name is Gangru. And these are some more instruments. This is a chopper. Local name is Ankora. Look at the chopper. And then arrow. The center one is arrow. This is the arrow. This is the chopper. And this is local name. This is a bow. Okay, so this is a bow, and the local name of bow is E, double E. It's a wrapper again. Of local name is Gado. And look at the woman here. This is she is a Mishing lady. So Mishing is a tribe, I would assume. My fingers are saying I'm tired. We are tired. Please bear with me for some more time. She is a woman from the Kuki tribe, and these are her items she uses. Kuki, Jemi, Naga. Alright, let's move on. Fishing implement, handloom apparatus, weaving implements, kind of apparatus used for country liquor. This is a drum, flutes, two different flutes, weaving implement, again a weaving implement, bamboo fishing trap, agricultural implements, weaving apparatus, that cage for keeping fowls, that's the cage. That was a bamboo fishing trap. These are the weaving implements, handloom apparatus. Okay, so a lot of things are here. One more time. Up and down. Moving on, a few objects of material culture of the Mishings. The Miris, the Mishings. The Miris, the Mishings. One of the houses. This is pile dwelling house of the Mishings. I'm sure the view is not that great because of some dust on the glass. Look at the animals. These are pokes, the pigs. Another section. That's a jacket. I think that's a looks like a scarf. Arrow, weaving implements, Cherokee, a kind of apparatus for country liquor preparation. Okay. Bamboo handgun. Alright, swords, flute, these are flutes, a headgear. Oh, okay, lovely. Comb with elephant motif, apparatus for keeping chop seed for cultivation. That's a modern drum. What would be this? This is a deer motif. Okay, it's a deer motif. And that was dancing implement made of pitch. Alright, so this is the dancing, the one which is standing across the wall. Scarf. That's the scarf on the left hand side. This is a wrapper. Then there's a jacket. A photo of people. Again a scarf. Again a drum, and a carrying basket. Alright. Lalungs. The lalungs belong to This is the Lalung community typical items. We'll go and see some of them closely. So these are the sprouted basket, strainer, wooden spouted vessel. All right, so that's a net, a traditional net, probably to catch. No, this is not a fish net. This is for household net, which you can use for several purposes in your house. Wooden ladle, yeah, wooden ladle again. Wooden spoon. Those are the bottles for wood pot. Bamboo casket. That's a basket again. All right. That's a typical house where the lady is standing with the doors closed. Only a little bit of door is open, and I think you can. Yeah, it's a dragging door. You can drag in and drag out. Uh, coming forward, going forward, and reaching to the Tivas, the Lalungs. Okay, a lady from community. Oh, a lot of wrappers and a lot of scarves and stoles and I think shawls also. A jacket there. Traditional well there. This is an altar. This is a weaving apparatus. Khanti, fishing implements. A drum, a basket, and there is a knife here. Wow. Coming to Rabhas. A net, fishing traps, lovely. Horn. This is again a apparatus for making rope. This is what? It's a buoying pipe. It starts all the way from here and goes all the way to here. So it's almost a 7 feet of blowing pipe. My God. Imagine the energy you need to blow this pipe. Flutes. Wow. That's a musical instrument. Lovely. Again a basket. But I'm amazed to see these flutes. Wow. That's again a musical instrument. This is a terracotta flute. This one. And this is a drum. And then ladle, bottle guard, terracotta sprouted vessel. Alright. Full view. The next, a few objects of material culture of the Rabhas. Okay, so this is just a photograph with, no, it's not a photograph. These are the Farkanti dance of the Rabhas. Oh, wow. This is amazing. If you are fortunate enough, you get a chance to enjoy this performance live. You must do that. Alright. Moving this way, and there are a few more household items. This, I'm sure, is a basket. Okay, I think I can't open it. Let it be, because I am not supposed to touch these, but since no one is there, I took a chance. Alright, coming here, bamboo made pot, skirt, garment. Okay, these are the skirts, and then that's a jacket, a dried piece of plant, weaving apparatus, boat shaped weaving basket, a shuttle, a wooden seat, a wooden ladle that side, so those three are wooden ladles. This is a wooden seat, this is a spinning wheel, this is a shuttle, and this is a boat shaped basket. Dried piece of plant. Okay. Oh, ये तो तराजू है भाई. Yes. And those are the weaving apparatuses, and then there are some utensils here. This is a bangle, wooden ladle, basket, wooden ladle, again a mortar, and that's again a mortar. Alright, so full view. Coming to the last section, let's first see the Jakoi, a kind of a fishing trap. This is again a fishing trap. This is a fishing implement again named Sugji fishing trap, man Mahamanai Lachi. Alright, this is also a fishing trap. Wow. Sword of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, there are 4 swords and 1 spear. Okay, I don't know. This is again a you can catch fish from this. Flute, musical instrument, lovely drum. These are all musical instruments. Musical instrument, bamboo instrument for making rope. Again a musical instrument. That's a basket. That's a basket. That's musical instrument again, and then I think again that's a musical instrument like a violin, and that's a rope. Oh, that's a fishing net, and then there are baskets. All right, so the next section, a few objects of material culture of the Bodos. Bodos is a famous tribe. Boro Kacharis. I'm going the wrong way, but it works for me. So the houses of Bodos. All right, there's nothing here, but it says Emilio Salgari and the Tiger, a story written in far away Italy, set in Guwahati, 1870. You can stop and read this. Emilio Salgari, Verona 1862, Torino 1911, was a popular Italian writer who published more than 200 adventure stories. Although set in exotic locations, he never traveled outside of Italy, gaining inspiration through foreign literature, newspapers, travel magazines, and encyclopedias. In between 1907 to 11, Emilio Salgari published 4 books: Quest for a Throne, The False Brahman, An Empire Crumbles, and Yane's Revenge, set in Guwahati at that time under British colonial rule. All right, moving on. This is the exit, but I think there's something I need to cover one more. This is a Carbase community man, but there are no objects here. So coming back to the entry, which is open, and I'll use that entry as exit. This is where I had started from. Hello. So just a glimpse of what we saw again. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and here I come. Out. Bye bye. Yes, and lastly, but most importantly, thank you very much. Bye bye. God bless you. Have a great day.